my channel. It's been about 6 long months since I posted any type of content, but I have a really good explanation for it and lots of surprises in this video. So if you want to find out what I have in store for the month of June, for Pride, for the launch of my website, new products, and much more, stay tuned. So as mentioned earlier, I did decide to launch my own website. I call it Beauty with Jay Lee, where I have my own skincare products, my own cosmetics, and I wanted it to be something that was natural, cruelty-free, vegan, something that everyone can use that's actually going to be effective. So I brought some of the products here to share with you. So you can see I have the face moisturizer that actually smells really, really good. I've actually used a lot of it. It's like one of my top 3 right now because it works really, really well with our repair serum, which I happen to love as well, because the minute you put it on, you can just automatically feel it working. It tightens up the skin. It's to help renew the cells on your face. It's so good, and it doesn't leave you with that sticky kind of feeling that most serums sometimes can do, as well as like flake. There's none of that. I also have an herbal eye gel that's actually blue. And you can actually smell the plant extracts. So that scent is something to kind of like get acquired to. Everything else is really sweet. My charcoal mask is very effective and it pulls the impurities right out. I don't know about you, but I love a charcoal mask for various reasons. But again, I don't want to give too much information because you can go on my website, Beauty with Jay Lee, and there's a bunch of product descriptions. I put all of the ingredients in there as well as what it helps to do with your skin. I also have beard oils for men with Arabica coffee beans inside. Literally, you can see the beans floating inside the bottle. I have a universal primer that is so pretty. I'll actually share it with you right now. Look at this. Do you see this? It's so nice and luminous and looks so pretty in the sun. I actually like to use it as a highlight. Sometimes I'll put it just on the highlight areas of the face and it'll just look so luminous and purplish like. It has like pink little reflectors in it as well, so it looks purplish pink. Something else that I have is a daily cucumber cleanser, which is really soft. It's a gel, so it's not harsh on the skin. It doesn't leave it dry. You don't feel that tightening effect after you use it. And a lot of times when you do use any type of cleanser and it makes your face feel tight after, people have this misconception that the tighter it feels after washing it with a certain cleanser, that means that it's working. Actually, it's a negative thing. What it's actually doing is stripping your skin of the barrier and it's making it just dehydrated. So that's not something that you want. And knowing your skin and the type of cleanser you need to use is very crucial, because if you have dehydrated skin, flaky skin, dry skin, combo skin, all of this plays a major part. Again, I don't want to give too much information in this video because everything is literally on my website. I decided to bring that out. You can check my website for cosmetics. I have LL Cream matte lipsticks in 2 different shades right now. I have lashes with compact mirror cases. I have literally a little bit of everything to cater to everyone. For the men, I have the beard oil, beard wash, beard balm, and for those that do not have beards, I still have something for you. I have an aftershave and a shaving gel. Now, that aftershave can be used by anybody who just shaves, period. If you shave any part of your body, armpits, legs, chest, anything, you can use that aftershave, because what it is it's basically like the alcohol that you would use when you shave your face, which is really bad to do. Alcohol is horrific for the skin. It strips it, it makes it dry, it does absolutely nothing, okay? So this, what I decided to do with this one was put a natural antiseptic in the aftershave. And what I put in it was tea tree oil as well as other ingredients to help work together to minimize irritation, minimize dry skin, minimize inflammation, and actually disinfect the area. So that's something else you might want to check out. I have, like I said, beard packages for the men. You can buy it together in a package or they're sold separately. It's fine too. So that takes care of that. That's basically the brand. Why I did it, you can find it in my about section, in the bio section of my website. I hope it can kind of resonate with a lot of you. Something else I want to touch on is a giveaway that I'll be doing soon. I've done plenty of giveaways in the past and they've actually worked out pretty well. So this time I'm doing a giveaway. I'm giving away a Juvia's Place Taupes palette. And this palette is sealed completely shut. But I'll show you what it looks like with mine. And it has pretty colors. I actually love this palette. It's really pretty. So I'm giving that away to one of my winners, as well as Glamnetic lashes with the magnetic lash glue, and the iconic London Blaze Chaser face palette, which has blush and highlighter in the palette. The details I'll be posting on Instagram, my Instagram page. Again, I'll link all the information so that you can follow. And I need you guys to subscribe to my website. When you subscribe, make sure you put in your birthday. It's actually optional, but it's a benefit because on your birthday, we will send you a discount. Just for signing up, you get a discount. I want everyone to feel welcomed, so I try to make it very easy. The site is easy to navigate. It's very simple. So sign up, you'll get perks, you'll get discounts, you'll get new releases, insight to coming soon, products that will soon be released. Make sure to sign up with your birthday because you get perks, discounts. When you sign up, you automatically get a discount as well. I'll have flash sales occasionally. So that's one thing to look out for. I also have a blog section, which I will break down certain products, certain trends, everything I'll be posting in my blog. So if you actually subscribe, you'll actually get that as well in your email notifications. So for the month of June, some things to look forward to. It's Gemini season. I have a Gemini palette that I will be releasing in a couple of weeks, as well as it's Pride Month. That's the reason why I did my shadow these colors. And so I have a Pride palette that will be released with Pride beauty sponges. You can see previews of those on my Instagram page as well. I do have a Facebook business page as well, also Beauty with Jay Lee. I always post the coming soon pictures of certain items that will be released, so you can follow through on that and see what they look like. I have a whole Zodiac collection that I'll actually be posting up on the site as well. So unfortunately, because of my launch, I launched in the middle of the year, so we have to start the Zodiac collection with the Gemini palette. But following the Gemini palette, we will be doing the Cancers and the Leos and moving forward. So it's a lot of information to retain, but I hope that you guys actually like the site. I hope you guys love everything that I'm trying to put together for you. It's been a long journey. It's been kind of hard to kind of divvy up my time with it, but I'm making it happen. And so, guys, remember, healthy skin is in. You want to take care of your skin. So take a look at the skincare products, the cosmetics, and everything that's to come from here on out. Thanks, guys. Thanks for tuning in. And I'll be posting more content on my channel coming soon.